parked this huge excavator right here in a spot that I told them not to park it. And I told them specifically, this got me so freaking pissed off. Hey, this is Bradley with Blue Cord, and I'm sorry it's been a while since I made a video. There's been quite a few reasons for that, and I'll get to those possibly in this video or maybe the next one, but I'll try to keep this brief. I haven't been that well. I've been pretty sick, and I've had a lot of other stuff going on. And as you can see, we finally got our culvert project going, and they parked this huge excavator right here in a spot that I told them not to park it. They have an easement over here next to my mailbox, not this. And I told them specifically, this got me so freaking pissed off, but I mean, look at this damage. They're already cutting into my bank. It's been raining like crazy. I almost got them on the phone. I am furious. But I look at this as an opportunity, and I'll tell you what I'm talking about. I was gonna make a video of regrading this whole bank all the way down to the street, which they're gonna be repaving as part of this project anyway. God, look at that mess. So the opportunity that I see is they're gonna pay me to regrade this after they've damaged it. I don't know how many times they're gonna bring this thing in and out of here. Why in the, I don't know. I told the foreman specifically, no, do not park there. Then he said he's got a spot down the road that he can park. And I said, well, that's what you're gonna have to do, because you're not gonna damage my yard beyond what I gave him permission to damage for the easement to work on this culvert project. So I'm not an impulsive man. I did not get on the phone right away and yell at the foreman, despite how much I wanted to. Now you could take a look here, and I could show you guys in the plans as well. I'll put those up. The easement that they asked for is approximately, I think they actually did a pretty good job marking this out. So this flag out to that flag, I believe, is the easement. And it comes in this way. You see they had the electric mark, which they didn't even know my electric ran over this culvert. They didn't know. They didn't know. I had to come out and tell them. And then they had it marked a few days later. I should have just sat there on my front porch and watched the fireworks when they cut into this thing. This is what happens when the township has to go with the lowest bidder. My opinion. I have very strong opinions about that. Oh my God, I'll keep you guys posted on this project. You can see there's this huge sinkhole. It's been forming for the last 4 years. It's caved in a couple times. The township's come out and filled it. Finally, they're gonna dig this whole street up and replace the culvert. This whole culvert failed after Hurricane Ida back 4 years ago. And you can't see in there right now, but the whole bottom of the culvert is gone.
It's gone, McCready.
I mean gone, as in non-existent. So every single time we get a major rain event, water shoots through here and carves even more of it out. There's a huge cave under here. And the fact this didn't collapse yet still amazes me. Even more so that it took them 4 years to get out here and get this project done. Oh, and then we found out that they're actually gonna cut our power. Oh, no, see, they ran this line. You see those cones up there? They ran a line to make sure that the neighborhood wouldn't be without power, but forget me, because they didn't do their homework. They didn't do their homework, and that's... I'm trying to keep this civil. So, as I said, I'm gonna make another video for you guys. I'm gonna explain why I haven't been uploading that much lately, and I think you'll understand once I post that why I've kind of been silent over the last couple months. So hopefully you guys enjoy this episode. Stay tuned for more. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the notifications bell. And when I do post these updates on this freaking disaster, you'll be notified and you're not gonna miss it. Thanks so much for taking this time to hang out with me today. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, God.